If you live in an older home, you may have an older wiring system, such as aluminum wiring, knob and tube, or an ungrounded wiring system. Aluminum wiring was installed from the mid-1960s to the late 1970s. In recent years, there has been an increasing concern over the safety of aluminum wiring. Insurance companies may require inspection and certification, and some may refuse to offer insurance unless the aluminum is replaced with copper wiring. Aluminum has a higher coefficient of expansion than copper. The expansion and contraction puts stress on the connections, causing loosening of the connection, leading to arcing and burning. The problem isn't the wiring itself, it's at the connection points. It is common to find corrosion due to oxidation, burning due to overheated loose connections, melted components such as switches and receptacles. What can you do to make your home safe? Well, for starters, you hire a licensed electrical company to assess your situation. Remaking all the connections in your home with the properly rated wire connectors. Using anti-oxidant compound as directed by the manufacturer. Replacing all receptacles and switches with aluminum-rated devices. Depending on the condition of the aluminum wiring, a rewire may be recommended. Now let's take a look at knob and tube wiring. Knob and tube is the original wiring method used to wire homes. It's not safe because it's an ungrounded system. The potential for shock or electrocution is greater when there is no safe path for fault current to ground. Deterioration due to age, cracked insulation, or missing insulation altogether are additional problems that make knob and tube wiring unsafe. Knob and tube wiring is also not rated to be in contact with insulation. It was designed to dissipate heat through the free air within the stud and joist spaces. A rewire is the only logical solution for any home containing knob and tube wiring. New circuits require special protection in the form of arc fault and ground fault protection. A complete and total rewire puts your vintage home into the modern age and provides peace of mind and added safety to your home.